And hello there, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is not really actually the latest of the 30 minute sisters, but somewhat I think in between, after or before Shoremi and Bavaria. I think this is number 16. We have SIS H00 Sestieh Color C, and yes, as you can see in the box art, there she is. Wherein, as you can see, she's more like a tactical spy kind of stuff. And off to the side, here she is without the armor or extra things. Of course, there are three facial expressions. Here she is combined with some of that armaments. I think just the ears, some part of a circle tail, and yeah, some action poses that you can do with her. Off to the other side, here she is telling that you can customize her by combining her with 30-minute missions, other 30-minute sisters, and of course 30 minutes fantasy there. And seeing opening what's inside the box. Yep, here it is, the pre-facial expression that it comes with. Another bag with all black, the flesh color. Another bag with the blood hair, and of course I think this is light green. And I think the last bag contains white parts, multicolored screw, the gray, the flesh color, and the same green. And of course the instruction manual for safety here. And yes, as I said, number 16. And of course again, yet you can combine her with different other 30-minute missions here. It tells you can combine her with the assassin, the for the 30 minutes fantasy, for the 30 minutes mission, you can combine her with, I think this is the airplane, and of course, as a costume, the sergeant. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Okay, so first up is we have the face parts here, which has three different facial expressions, as you can see there. Next up is the hair parts, which is obviously blonde. Then we come to the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue wherein there's a green, there's gray, there's flesh color, and there's white. Here is the first B sprue, which is all white. A second B sprue, which is all black. C sprue, which is the light greenish color. The B sprue, which is all flesh color. Coming back to the black on the E sprue here. And lastly, the F sprue going back to the white color here. And there you have it, 30 minutes friends and folks. That was what's inside the box of this 30 minute sisters SIS H00 Sestieh Color C, wherein she is more or like a secret operative from my point of view. And of course, you can combine her with the other 30-minute labels, the same 30-minute sisters for the other costumes out there, the hair parts and the body parts. 30 minutes missions for for those robots. Yeah, you can put other parts here there, and of course the 30 minutes fantasy line where they are advertising where you can combine it with the assassin. Right. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, giving a video, sharing, viewing, and until next time, see you and thank you.